You don't need millions to start up a business. With just 15,000 naira, you can start up a business, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can do it. Most people ignore small businesses and they forget that the small businesses is the means of making daily income. I am here to tell you that with small money, you can start up a Zobo business. I've tried it and it's working. So I want to motivate you today to start up a Zobo business. Hello everyone, welcome back to Bonnie's chat room. If you're seeing me for the first time, you can call me Titi. On this channel, we'll talk about everything business. And to my wonderful subscribers, thank you for believing in me. I don't take you for granted. And for those who are watching for the first time, if you're yet to subscribe, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you'll be the first to get every update we make. Like, share the video. You never can tell whose life you will be changing. If you're thinking of starting a small business and you don't have capital, then just know that you are not alone, because a lot of people are looking for huge money to start a business. But let me tell you, there's a business you can start with just 15,000 naira, and a Zobo business. And this business is a profitable business because every day people are buying it. And I tried it. I brought someone to come and teach us how to start the business, and I tried it, and I'm here to tell you, to testify that it's working. I made Zobo drink, I sold, and I made small passive income. So I'm here to encourage you. You're a sit-at-home mom, an unemployed man, you're a father, you're a mother, you're a girl, you're a lady. You're thinking of what to do and you don't have any source of income. You don't have any huge money to start up a business. You can do it in the comfort of your kitchen, but your kitchen must be neat. You must have a neat environment. And when you do it, you do the packaging solid. Before you know it, people are buying from you. And that's my story, what happened to me when I tried it. So I'm here to tell you, start today. Don't relent. Don't complain. Start something and you will come back and say, thank you, Titi. You gave me a great advice. Now I've prepared a 5 planned steps to start up your Zobo business. Number 1, get your ingredients. And what are those ingredients? You have your hibiscus flower, which is the Zobo leaves. You have pineapple, you have flavor, you have ginger, you have sugar, you have water. These are your ingredients that you will get, and they are cheap. You can get it anywhere. You don't need to import. They are on ground and they are cheap. So this is step 1. Step 2, wash your ingredients properly. Make sure there's no trace of sand in your ingredients. Wash them not once, not twice. Wash them properly. Boil them and add your flavor. Allow it to cool. When it's cool, then you sieve. Now, step 3 is where you will be buying the hearts of your clients. Your packaging has to be perfect. You need clean bottles, not recycled, not bottles that you have collected from people, but you need to buy your own bottles. To start with something that people will always say, I'm going for this Zobo, because everybody wants to buy a bottle that is sealed, not unsealed bottles. When it's sealed, they are sure that what is entering their stomach is okay. So get your sealed bottles and fill. Then if you choose to put your label, that is branding. Step 3 is where you will buy the hearts of your client. So this is where you fill your Zobo into your bottles, and if you decide to put your label, fine, you put your label. So step 3 is where you are going to do the hard work. Now step 4, you'll be wondering, well, how do I get clients? Where will I sell? My dear, you don't need to even do too much advertisement. Front of your house, your neighbors, your church, your business place, on the street, everywhere people sell Zobo. You don't need to have a shop to sell Zobo. Tell your neighbors, this is what I do. All your contact on WhatsApp, send them a message. I have Zobo, ready to drink Zobo, chilled. And make it chilled. Sacrifice to make your Zobo chilled, because nobody will walk under the sun and buy a hot Zobo. Make it very chilled. Tell them before you know it, you even have orders that you did not plan for. Somebody can just call you. Maybe you did 10 bottles, and the person will tell you, we want 20 bottles, we want 30 bottles in my office, because a lot of people use it for birthdays, maybe low-key birthday celebrations in their offices. They'll just call you and say, bring 30 bottles for us. And before you know it, you're supplying it to people, to offices, to church, to birthdays. And when you grow, when your brand is now known, you can be supplying to weddings. So don't sleep on this. This is a brilliant opportunity for us this year, 2026. Now, step 5 is where I come to tell you that I have started. And I started small. So I want to encourage you to start small. Don't think, oh, I need to start big. I must have this, I must have this. No. Start small. You can start with 5 bottles. Your neighbors, then you go 10 bottles, start selling to people on your street. 15 bottles, your children's school, you go, you tell them, I sell this. The parents, not for the children, the parents will buy. Before you know it, you are taking it to church to sell. So start small. You will grow from there. At this point now, my viewers, my subscribers, I want to ask you a question. If you have 15,000 naira and you're not doing anything, you don't have a job, would you start this Zobo business? Drop your answer in the comment section. I will be right back after a short break. Welcome back. If you're not yet subscribed, please do subscribe. Give this baby girl a thumbs up and like my video. Now we're going to be looking at where you motivate yourself to be consistent. Don't sell on Monday and people don't see you and you come on Thursday. Don't sell on Monday and you show up on Thursday. Please be consistent. If you say, I will be selling Zobo drink every 9 a.m., stick to that time, stick to the plan. Be consistent so that your clients will know that at such a time, our Zobo lady will be around. If you're selling to the banks, let them know 12 noon, I will be in your office. If you're selling in your office, let them know the time Zobo will be available. Be consistent, because for a business to grow, it has to imbibe this culture and spirit of consistency. Now, before we start this Zobo business, we need to work on our taste. So you can do maybe 2 cups of Zobo for you to taste it, because your taste has to be consistent. You need to have a brand that people know that, oh, once they taste your Zobo, they know this is from Mrs. Brown or Mrs. whatever. Whoever is answering Brown, apologies, but I'm just trying to say something. Oh, this is Mrs. Sugar. Okay, let's use Sugar. This is Mrs. Sugar. This is Mrs. Turmeric. Let them know you for your taste. So be consistent in your taste, be consistent in your time, be consistent in your brand. From there, you will grow. One thing we need to work on is poor hygiene and untidy environment. Don't prepare Zobo in a dirty kitchen, in a dirty environment. I am pleading with you, because this is something that is entering people's system. If you know you have not worked on yourself enough to keep a clean environment, clean utensils and everything, don't start up this business, because you are putting things into people's system. So you must work on your environment, work on the things you'll be using. Everything that you use for this business has to be 100% clean. Don't let small beginning discourage you, because many successful big businesses that you see today started somewhere like this, in a small environment with small money. Low capital businesses are paying off daily in Nigeria. Embrace this great opportunity. If you're not doing anything and you desire to start up a small business, this is more than just a drink. It is an opportunity. If you're serious about starting a Zobo drink business, drop a comment. Then I will let you know how you can start with 15,000 naira. Start small, but start now. Until I see you next time, love life, live life, and enjoy your life. I remain your host, Titi Atutale.